The art of meeting strangers that turn into lifelong friends is a core part of our belief as to why everyone should travel. The ability to expose yourself to people from other cultures that were raised differently to you with their own beliefs and values. To celebrate Sergio turning 23 and the crew hitting 200 subscribers, we decided to invite 7 strangers to share a villa with us in the Greek island of Naxos.
Late beats, this go crazy. 100.
I want you to ruin my day in the worst way. I want you to trip me on my way to first place. I want you to say that you love me just to tell me you're over it. Ooh la 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 la. You remind me sweet and sour. No hot water when I need a shower. Just an everyday princess, not leaving the tower. She's on. Ooh la 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 la. No more petals on your wildflowers. You love me not down, the world was ours. It's starting to sink in, I won't be around very long. Ooh la 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 la. Got the car parked in the
Just
parking
touched
lot.
down at Naxos Island. Got the crew here. First stranger we met. Oh. We're now looking for a few more. Can we find them? Lost Boys Travels vs Naxos. Today's the day. Sergio turns 23. How you feeling, brother?
I feel old, bro.
Feeling old?
I feel old.
Can we put on tune Nobody Likes You When You're 23 by Blink-182? George is a little bit upset with the stranger title. We did meet him in Montenegro on our travels, but we've become more than that. He is now an intern for the Lost Boys Travel crew. So George, please introduce yourself.
I'm an intern for the Lost Boys Travels.
And what country do you reside in?
England.
England.
London.
London. And for tax purposes, he's an unpaid intern. His first job as the unpaid intern was to invite some strangers that he met on his travels, because he's been traveling. So he invited 2 Dutch girls, both named Lotta. He has plans to become more than strangers with these 2 Lottas. Here's the crew. How is everyone? David, nice to meet ya.
Hi, Bart.
Bart, nice to meet ya.
Hi, Lotte.
Lotta, there's one.
Hi, Lotte.
Nice to meet ya. What's your name? A quick introduction, your name and where you're from.
Ida from Sweden.
From Sweden?
Yeah, nice. I'm Lotte from the Netherlands.
There's 2 of you.
Yeah.
Bart from the Netherlands.
From the Netherlands as well.
Evan from the USA.
Hey, let's go. And Evan's also a YouTuber.
That's right,
Give us your
yes.
channel name.
Evan Glowicki. We're gonna do a collab and we'll talk. Yeah.
Let's go. And the final member of the crew. Hey Lotta.
Hi David.
Good to see you again. Introduce yourself.
I'm Lotte.
Where are you from?
The second one. Oh no, the first one. I'm from Amsterdam.
Made it. So we've made it here to our nice Mercedes van pickup. Got the crew chucking all the bags in. We made it. How's everyone feeling?
Excited for Bible study.
Woohoo! Where are we going, Lotta?
To Villa. Where exactly? I don't know.
Ah.
Hope someone else knows. No?
Oh, what's that? You got a little one. That's sick. Ah! Hey, dude. Hey, George. Hey.
Hi.
To celebrate Lost Boys Travels hitting 200 subscribers, we decided to rent a villa here in Naxos, Greece. It's the Lost Boys crew and 7 strangers that we met on the road, and we're here for 2 nights. Come and we'll show you what we got. This beautiful villa can happily sleep up to 10 people, has all the outdoor entertainment areas you need, beautiful pool, and look at that view. You couldn't ask for anything better. Let's check out the house. So this is day number 2, so forgive the mess. I don't know what happened last night, but play some footage.
Parked in the parking lot of a Walmart, trying to figure out why I won't start, and the alarm goes off when I turn the key. Girl, this ain't no emergency, just a little burden, about to fix it with no urgency. Traffic in your city, a little extra tonight. Your emotions overload, you always ready to snap. I give you all I got, like it would ever suffice. You keep making me wait, ain't nothing heavy, it's done. Got some things I can tell you, baby, just don't repeat them.
Let me introduce you to these strangers.
This is Lotta. We met while hiking in Albania. For the last 2 years, she wanted to do Interrail through Europe, but no one would go with her. She eventually decided to bite the bullet and solo travel, and has not regretted it for a second. This is Evan. After accepting that his job at the winery wasn't providing meaning, he decided to set out and pursue his life passion for making videos. He's on a 9-month journey around the world to inspire others to travel. This is Ida. She lives in Swedish Lapland and spends her days driving snowmobiles and chasing reindeer. Pretty cool, right? She is moving to America in September to work as an au pair. George, the man that's down for anything. At the age of 19, he's living his best life every day. He's been accepted to study imperialism at Edinburgh University. But if that doesn't work out, he's always welcome as part of the Lost Boys Travels family. Finally, Robbo. He made this whole villa happen. He's the Lost Boys Travels manager and believes in us the most. So much so, he quit his job, left his girlfriend behind, and flew across the world to support our dream of becoming YouTubers. He's back in Oz now, working on his own dream of photographing Australian wildlife. After a night of partying, we thought we were all close enough to ask our new friends what inspires them to travel.
What made you start travelling?
Well, I had some time off between my bachelor's and my master's, and started working because, I like it. I was really content with my life. I didn't miss anything, but I felt like this is the only time in my life that I can really travel. And I went to Interrail for over 2 years.
For 2 years you were trying to look for someone to travel with you.
Yeah.
You eventually said, I want to do it, I'm going to do it by myself.
Yeah.
And you regret doing it by yourself?
No, I don't.
Not at all?
No. I love it. I wish I did it earlier.
I always wanted to travel because I come from such a small place, and I just thinking was I love Greece.
I'm gonna
I'm gonna gap year, yeah. So I worked for 8 months, quit my job, went travelling. Now I have no money.
By now, you're probably wondering, how did they all end up here and what has travelling taught them?
You have to be pretty brave to, 1, go and travel by yourself, but 2, to be the kind of person that gets added to a group chat. I think we had a mutual friend who told us you're doing YouTube, added you in, and you just knew him for a day, we knew him for 2 days, and just added you in and you're like, I'm doing this.
Yeah.
So, anyone out there that maybe sees your videos, they're like, that doesn't studying, I want to go, but they're too scared. Have you got any advice to, take that leap and to do things like this? Because in my eyes, when you do one, you do the other.
Yeah. And it definitely sounds cliche, but I always think it all the time. Like, I see people in my family growing older, they never do anything like this, and time's gonna go by so fast. We're gonna get old, you're gonna get married, you're gonna get a dog, you're gonna get a house, and then you can't ever do this, and now is just the perfect time to do it. If you're single and you need the money to do it, but you don't need as much money as you think, these places are very cheap to travel. You just can't be going to, the more expensive countries. There's this stereotype, especially in the US, and I'm sure Australia as well, where you have to do this, or you have to do that, and people are gonna be like, or you're gonna think you're a failure. But we're living life way, to a whole nother level that so many people will never get to go to. Dude, I literally have goosebumps talking about this.
100%.
And just the fact that we're here on this fucking island with people I didn't know yesterday, or I met yesterday, and it feels like we're all homies.
some guys that's going to like party in the for 2 days and we're just gonna get. And I was like, why not? That sounds awesome. So that's why I'm here.
You know, you're at that age where it's a big party trip for you. You know, you're in the madhouse in Prague, you're playing drinking games, you're interacting with all the European cultures, all the young like-minded people. But aside from the partying and all of that, did you learn anything about you as a person, about what you want out of life to take with you to university?
He's like, huh?
I think the only revelation was that any money I ever get is going to be spent on travelling and nothing else.
Do you have any advice for a solo female traveller that's been a little bit scared to maybe go out there by themselves? Is it safe? Have you had any bad experiences?
Not at all, no. I didn't have any bad experiences. So, yeah, if you doubt as a traveling, you must think it like this. If you don't do it, you will regret it, maybe. And if you do it and you don't like it, you're from Europe, right? Maybe. Then you can just take the train back if you don't like it. Just do it.
So just do it and
you only live once.
you only live once, live with no regrets.
Nothing to lose. Just do it.
Nothing to lose, so make sure you do it.
The idea behind the villa was simple. Connect with strangers who feel the same drive for life as us and learn about their inspirations for travel. We learned that although we are all from different countries, cultures and backgrounds, 9 out of the 10 of us share the same values and beliefs about how to be the best version of yourself and live a life you love. We hope that we've inspired you to smile at the next stranger on the street, because who knows, it might be a friend for life. And for those wondering, George did become more than strangers with one of the Lotters.
It's been 9 days since the villa. I'm still travelling, touring Italy, and guess what? I'm not alone.
It's me.
She's back. Woo! Yeah, we made it. We survived the villa, and we're back together, touring Italy together. How's it been?
Quite cool. We're in Naples now.
Right, it's beautiful. Look. Happy endings.